Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kamal, CA final student. Today I am going to talk on the topic accounts open under the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Jan Yojana. Few months back, accounts are opened by the Pradhan Mantri under the central government scheme to spread digitalization and link poor people's backward class and innocent peasants to the banking sector and insurance sector. Recently, on 29th November 2016, our central bank RBI issues notification to put restriction on the withdrawal limit under these accounts. After demonetization, black holder of money start investing in golds, jewelry, diamonds, property, and makes Benami transactions in the name of these people. So our central bank RBI, with a view to protect these people from Benami transactions and to comply with the regulations framed under the Reserve Bank of India and Prevention of Money Laundering Act, it puts restrictions on the withdrawal limits. Under this Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, there are two types of compliances, and you can say two types of accounts. One is KVC compliance, and another one is non-compliance of KYC. Sorry. What is KYC? KYC is know your customer. What is the procedure of this KYC? When you go to bank, then bank asks for your identity proof and address proof. If you give that identity proof and address proof, then your account seems it to be comply with KYC norms. And in KYC norms, banks start monitoring your transactions periodically. So what is the restriction or what is the withdrawal limit under these accounts? Under KYC compliances, what is the maximum cap is? That is 10,000 per month. Client can withdraw just 10,000 per month under this account. Moreover, if client needs more money, then he may request to the branch manager. If branch manager satisfy this genuineness of his reason, then he may allow withdrawal of more money under the current present limit. So in case of non-compliance of KYC, only just rupees 5,000 per month is allowed. So with the view to protect these Benami transaction, RBI puts restrictions on these withdrawal limits. So it's requested to all of you to please not to enter Benami transaction in the name of others. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.